Hey wanderers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wandering with Floyd P. Today we are taking a trip to one of the most picturesque places on the planet, Zaanse Schans in the Netherlands. Imagine a postcard come to life, historic windmills, the scent of fresh baked goods, and fields so green they don't even look real. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and let's go wandering. Our first stop, the legendary windmills. Now, these aren't just for show. Back in the 18th and 19th centuries, this area was the industrial heart of Europe, with over 600 windmills working around the clock. Today, they are beautifully preserved. As you stepped inside one of the windmills, the sheer power of the wooden gears churning is incredible. You can actually feel the history vibrating through the floorboards. From sawing wood to grinding spices and oil, these giants did it all. And the view from the deck, absolutely breathtaking. The crisp of spring air combined with that view, it's perfection. Next up, I followed my nose straight to the Catharina Hoeve cheese farm. If you love cheese, this is your paradise. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by staff in traditional Dutch dress and rows upon rows of glorious Gouda. They show you exactly how this legendary Dutch cheese is made. And then comes the best part, which is the tasting station. I tried everything from smoked cheese to garlic, and even a vibrant green pesto cheese. Let's just say, I didn't leave empty-handed. You can't visit the Netherlands and not indulge in your body weight in cheese, right? To wrap up the perfect day, I had to check out the wooden shoe workshop. Clogs or Klompen are a true symbol of Dutch culture. I watched a live demonstration where a block of wet willow wood was transformed into a perfectly shaped shoe in just minutes using vintage machinery. It is pure artistry. Ever wonder how a solid block of wood becomes an iconic Dutch clog? Here at Zaanse Schans, they carve them completely wet using fresh poplar or willow wood, so it doesn't split. A vintage duplicating machine traces a model shoe to quickly carve the outside, while a specialized drill scoops out the interior. After a quick hand trim with a razor-sharp knife, the clogs are left to dry for 3 weeks before getting sanded, painted, and ready to wear. The craftsmanship is incredible, and the vibrant, hand-painted clogs hanging from the rafters make for the most colorful video footage of the entire trip. They even have a diamond clog on display. Zaanse Schans during spring was an absolute dream, a perfect mix of history, culture, and flavor. Thanks for wandering with me today. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the Netherlands, smash that like button. Leave a comment below telling me which cheese you try first, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. Keep wandering. Thanks for watching. Please check the other travel videos on my YouTube channel, Wandering with Floyd P.